It's January 31st, 2026, and this area of the Piedmont, North Carolina, is getting the most snow we've gotten in a long time. And out here at Common Ground, the sweet potatoes are safe, and the cans of tomatoes are safe in the barn apartment, staying toasty. We're gonna see what's going on out in the garden. It's about 20, maybe 18 degrees outside. The wind has been blowing strong, and the snow is getting everywhere. On the table, out back. Yeah, what a winter wonderland. Narnia. I'm slipping as I walk. Luckily this is a dry snow, so even though certainly at least 3 inches have fallen here so far, it's not a lot of weight on the caterpillar tunnels. Goni did a brushing off a few hours ago. And yeah, we're doing all right out here as long as we keep... Oh, look how dark it is in here. Yeah, it's wild seeing green when everything outside is white. Yeah, the issue with having all these covers on something like the salad mix is that some bottom rot can happen because there's not enough airflow underneath here, getting through the leaves. So not sure if it's bacterial or mildew, mold, spores can proliferate more easily. So yeah, as soon as it gets back above 32 degrees next week... Oh, there's a bird in here. Well, maybe this is an okay place to be for a bird on a snowy day. Yeah, it's just wild seeing the cathedral roof being covered with snow. Yeah, things are okay in here. Back out into the wonderland. Yeah, I'm wondering where Doug is, because he wasn't up in his kitchen room. Maybe he's down here messing around with his peppers. We'll see. Hey, Doug? How do you get into this tunnel?
You just have to pick up 3 layers of plastic and crawl in.
From this end or the other end?
No, your end.
Oh gosh. Oh, wow. Do you mind telling folks what you're up to in here?
I'm
Checking the weather.
Well, no, I'm writing a text, but I'll stop that for a minute. I guess. That's not what I'm mainly doing in here.
Whoa. Look at this. Is this water here, though, or ice?
What?
This part right here, behind you.
Where it's sagging?
Yeah.
Well, it's old ice from last week.
Uh-huh.
That thawed semi. It's just
Yeah.
like a big chunk of ice.
Oh, gosh.
I've knocked some of it off, but because it's not very insulating. But
Yeah.
see how I added extra posts
Yeah.
in here, this one, and all the way down through
Wow.
to hold it up so that I could let it get loaded with
Benefit
snow.
from the insulation.
So right now it's, do you have that going?
Yeah?
Right now it's all around 20 degrees outside, and it's like 36. Well, on this end it's like 35, and that end it's 37
Wow.
in here right now, just from the snow
Wow.
protecting it.
Wow, and the wind hasn't been too harsh today?
No, it's been okay. But the other thing I was doing before the snow was using warm water coming out of the well, relatively warm, 55-degree water, and spraying everything up in that end.
Uh-huh.
It's very dark there because there's a couple layers of fabric sandwiched in between other layers of plastic.
Yeah.
So there's a total of 5 layers on that upper end.
Oh gosh.
And the peppers are still alive but not thriving.
Uh-huh.
But there's 2 banana plants way up at the end that Gonzalo had dug them up and put them in pots.
Yeah.
And I said, you know, I might be able to keep them in better condition in this tunnel
Uh-huh.
than outside any place. So I'm storing them up there. The leaves are getting damaged because it did get just below freezing in here one night.
Uh-huh.
But that tarp over there is where we have a whole bunch of ginger and turmeric stored for planting. And I've been talking with Caleb about converting this mostly into a ginger and turmeric tunnel this season. And
That's exciting.
because the best turmeric that we got was stuff that grew in a nursery bed here, and we never even transplanted it. It just sat there, never, you know, we just didn't get around to using all the nursery bed material. So it just sat there and it formed lots of new rhizomes, and it's in the nicest condition of any of our turmeric. So that's telling me something about this tunnel being a good place
Wow.
to grow the turmeric. So
That's a great learning. The research and experimenting continues here.
oh yeah, and it's growing in pure leaf mold, so that's telling me something about how to amend these beds.
Like leaf mulch or just compost from straight leaves?
It's leaf
Like-
mold means leaves at various degrees of rotting.
Uh-huh.
It's just pure leaf mold. It's just pure rotted leaves.
But it's not like mold that people like see in their house on food or
No,
like
no. The
behind
word
walls.
mold just means rotted in this
Yeah.
case. Rotted leaves.
Okay.
It's a poorly done word to describe it, because it's not very moldy. It's just whatever
Yeah.
microbes are in there, which is our main fertility on the whole farm right now, is all the leaves that we get from the city of Mebane.
Yeah.
Um,
Thank you, City of Mebane. Shout out.
yes.
So I guess my one other question is, at this point, 4:30 in the afternoon, about 3 inches of snow has fallen. Have you looked at the forecast to see how much more snow is expected? Will we need to brush off the tunnels one more time? Or-
I really don't think we're going to get a lot more. So
Okay.
I haven't looked.
So the heaviest is behind us, maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Because it's a winter wonderland outside of the tunnel space. But thanks for sharing about what's going on in here.
Well, this is a nice place to work. It's like above freezing, and I'm staying dry, and I'm getting rid of Johnson grass. That's what I'm doing for exercise. This is pure, vicious, intense Johnson grass that grew liberally here all last year, but we now need to get it out to, you can see these big fat roots, rhizome kind
Wow.
of things.
What a specimen.
Yeah, so I'm digging it all up. Here's another one. Oh, look at these. They're really big and fat. A lot of food stored in those to send up new shoots. But in some ways, it's growing a lot like the ginger and turmeric do. They form rhizomes, and they're perennial, but just in a different climate.
That's
So-
the secret, right? Creating the conditions for the diversity, the species, the vibrancy that can benefit all, instead of a plant like this Johnson grass that spreads like
well,
crazy.
it's just it's more aggressive, but they're all just plants trying to make a living, and
Yeah, well, this one can make a living out in the far field or out in a place where we're not tending. So, but
their main strategy is they're all really tropicals,
Yeah.
including this, but they survive underground in the winter because the ground protects them from freezing.
Uh-huh.
So just out at wherever in the fields around here, those big fat rhizomes are about 3 or 4 inches, maybe 5 inches deep, and the ground around in this climate rarely ever freezes more than 2 inches deep. And so and here it's not freezing at all.
Sounds good. Well, I'm gonna get back out to the winter wonderland and keep at it, Doug. I'll check in with you a little later. Yeah, Doug.
I'm looking one more time at the forecast.
Okay. Yeah, it's definitely cold.
About 2 more inches of snow.
Okay. So these tunnels are probably great.
Yeah, I think so.
Perfect amount of insulation. All right, folks, this is what's going on at Common Ground today.